So you know how on a Friday we have something to smile about, right? Well, we're trying something new today with something to sing about. Now, our challenge is to try and sing random lyrics to popular song tunes. And we now know we only know the popular tune when it's playing in our ear. Because our first attempt is to the tune of Rihanna's Diamonds.
I blame Simone for this category. That's her. Yeah, okay. All right. We're going to hear the song at all?
Yes.
Okay.
We have on mic too.
Check. Me.
Sound man. Go low.
Low.
Play
Drop the beat now.
Play it low. It not playing on at all. If we play it low.
Do I sing the Macadamia version?
No, Rihanna version.
Shine bright, Macadamia.
Same version. It's not
crocodiles are snappy, rum and pie. We're sparkling in the night. I get my groceries for free. A ballad of harmony. As you lost me,
I thrive. My love you can't deny. I thought that cheese
would melt on a tray. Oh, so cliche.
The words them not move on the screen.
In the moonlight, I smell the scent of soft soufflés. I taste the spice, what a surprise. Tonight, cupcake. We're beautiful like islands in the sky. Sky to sky, can't deny. We're beautiful like islands in the sky. Woo, woo, woo. We're beautiful like islands in the sky. Sky to sky, can't deny. We're beautiful like islands in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Next up, Beenie Man's Girl Them Sugar.
That's right.
Here we go.
Oh my God. Moses Island.
Sure. Let's say Beenie Man, good morning.
Zagazao.
Here we go. Ready?
Debbie and Delia there now.
If I could be your girl. Coffee can I swirl them do that. The girls them pearl glass cover. The girls them see that figure. When we shove them grape and bigger. See and tan the sky's on fire. How the cats are made the call for choir. And the moon got the llama flower. Yeah, we drew llama, yeah, swims by the tower now.
It was time for you.
There's a flying pig and the girl says moo. If I could paint your world, if I could paint your world. Oh, was it again?
No. God have mercy.
Who came up with these lyrics though? Who came up with these lyrics? Khalid?
Toast.
Who is this now? Okay, the random lyrics of Coffee's Toast. Mercy me. Coffee, good morning. We just want to say that it's not a reflection of Coffee's original song Toast. Thank you very much. Here we go. Banana fall, me as drive my... Okay. Jesus help us.
Banana fall, me as drive man. Swan fidget, me want fidget. Rose.
Play we are...
Rose, yeah. Play we are drumming with a horse, yeah. Lessons we are teach on the porch in a sandal. We no hide and ghost. Yeah, we play pranks like we see them in a court. We have to eat snacks like we feel in a post to be the drum full. Dressing style for my wife and I thank frogs for the turn in the year. It's not just for the bus, yeah. Attitude is a cross, yeah. We see message park for my nightstand. Right. Plus a roach for the ends we check off. We know all one rhyme did sit down in a glass on the floor. Then Jolly sing a chord and we slim with the road.
For bookings, call 926-1100, please. 926-1100. Thank you so much.
All calling in your dance. Oh, Lord have mercy. How we reach back that so?
Would they Adele now? Hello. Jeez. Oh my God.
What is?
Would that hello? Hello, it's me.
Oh, Lord. I did up his song.
Mellow. So I did up his song. Get into the zone. Ready? Ready? Mellow. It's tea. Christmas. What happened? Pull up? Is that pull up? Okay, ready.
Money pull up.
Exactly. Ready?
Mellow.
It's tea. Christmas dinner nice, even though there was no Christmas tree. Nearly turned over everything.
I'm good chorus, man.
Water bottle, can, orange peel are still stuck in my feelings. Fellow, why the cats fear me? Drinking milky apple soda, and now I really have to pee.
Lightning, thunder. You wanna reach the say yes?
When I was just
Roof and league, we reach far. Found rotten tomato, I mean I know the song and I really wanted to scream.
Really wanted to scream. There's no resemblance between us. Scarecrow in the middle line.
At the party now.
Yeah, man. Sit here now. Ready?
Volcano from the mountainside. Water commission always up my spine. I never say I'm sorry for making me broke every month. Answer, Paul. The moment tea from your home. Volcano from the outside. Peanut butter chocolate pie. I was on Maroon, cause she keeps breaking my heart. Now I'm a rapper, cause clearly you don't listen to me anymore.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're here all morning. Thank you so much. Drops my.
I drop it, Colin, and I got have a heart failure, so.
For bookings, call 926-1100, okay? 926-1100 at the front desk. If you want us, you can find us. When Rebel Salute is over, we're going to be there. At the end of the night.
You mean so after this morning, you really go book me and Debbie?
Hello, Jayuda. Hello.
Eh?
Somebody down a Rebel office.
Really?
Call me. Hello.
No, we have to sing fresh.
Tour. My feeling again. Yeah. Lettuce, broccoli. Yeah, sir? Right,
Rebel.
exactly. This one come back. Look horrible.
Then cut we have Clive. You don't have to break. Then cut we. Then cut we have. And so that's it.